Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a transmission here from a John Deere lawn tractor, homeowner lawn tractor. This is the K46 Tough Torque transmission. I'm doing this video to show you what to look for if you get some oil leaks. If you have oil coming out from the drive axle, you will need to replace the seal in here. This is what it looks like here, and it is part number 187T0134280. Now, the most important part of this video is also to show you if you replace the seals and you still have oil coming out of your transmission, you might actually have to replace the cap over here. This is a new cap, and here's the old cap. It's all cracked, and I did test it out by putting oil in it and letting it sit like this overnight, and when I came back the next day, all the oil had leaked out. So there is a bit of pressure in the tank, not a whole lot. But what can happen with a bad cap like this is the oil will seep out of the cap and get all over your transmission. This one was caked in oil right at the top, so I kind of knew it was not because of the seals over here. So basically just get this cap. I've got the part number for this as well, and I've got a few extra in my shop. The part number is 187T0136300. I'm using original Tough Torque parts. Now what I've done is taken off the fan here. You just need clip pliers to get it off. It's just a clip like that on top. It just makes it easier to take the cap off and put it back on. If your transmission is low, this is what I use over here, Castrol Edge 550 full synthetic oil. So it's actually engine oil, but it's full synthetic 550. And basically I just top it up to the top. You also want to take out this small washer. It's a magnet that catches all the metal shavings from the transmission. Clean that as well. Top it up to the top here. And if it's a fresh oil change you're doing, you may have to spin the shaft here to just kind of get the oil in all over the place in the transmission. The way to empty it, if you have it off the machine, is just flip it upside down. I will at some point make a full video on how to take it off the tractor, drain it, clean all this up here, and then put it back on. But for today, I really wanted to show you guys that because it will save you a lot of diagnosing time if you know how to go and check for this thing right at the top. It is a bit harder to see it when the transmission is installed on the machine. So to put this on, just grab a small hammer or a brass hammer because it will go in fairly tight, and just hit the edges. It actually goes on there really tight actually. And another good thing to do here is take this off and spray a bit of anti-seize on there. Then if ever you need to remove this in the future, you know that it will come off. And now with my snap ring pliers, I will put the small clip back in. Make sure that clip is in there nice and tight. Now I think you can buy these seals and the cap on Amazon, but they're quite expensive on there and they may not be original ones. If you live in Canada or the US and you're interested in these parts, just let me know. I do keep them in stock. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, please comment below and have a great day.